Is this nigga serious?
You serious?
Right now, you can take your time, don't have to rush. This might take us a while.